What's up guys, the news of upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 in the air. We are continuously listening to the different leaks and rumors from different sources, but today I have a good news and one bad news. So the good news is it's confirmed. Yes, the triple camera of Galaxy S10 is confirmed. According to Korean media outlet ET News, Samsung may launch Galaxy S10 models in 3 variants. Every Galaxy S10 will have different camera lenses like lower to the highest one. Samsung Galaxy S10 models name will be like Beyond 0, Beyond 1 and Beyond 2. The Beyond 0 will have a 5.8 inches screen with a flat panel display and single camera on the back. Beyond 1 will have a same screen size but with curved edges like Samsung's iconic design and with dual rear camera, while Beyond 2 will have a 6.2 inches screen with triple cameras on the back. The feature of third camera lens is not confirmed yet, but it seems like that the third camera of Galaxy S10 will have a 3D sensing sensor that would allow the recording of high definition 3D content that can be used in AR. Now let's come to the barrier of bad news. Recently, iSuniverse tweeted out this image with the words that this may be a design beyond, but today he clears everything that this is not a Galaxy S10. He also says that no one knows what S10 really looks like. It's too early to talk about it. So in conclusion, this is not a prototype of Galaxy S10, but don't worry, make sure to subscribe because in the coming weeks, many leaks came to town. And also, I share them with you time to time, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed to saw this video. And yeah, see you soon.